Hello YouTube, I'm back again with another portfolio update. Sorry I'm a bit late with this video. Uh, I just had to add some things I had to catch up on, and I'm not even in the country right now. But yeah, it's a good little trip. So I hope everyone's had a good New Year. I think this is my first video vlog into the new year. Yeah, hope everything went good. So yeah, here we go. So as of today, I've got 5,000. My portfolio is what 5,636 pounds and 8 pence. I'm up 481 pounds 87 pence since I started investing. I believe I am up like 40 pounds from the last time I actually from my first video, or the last time I did send out a video. Yeah, that's a plus. There was a bit of a drop, if you can see, but the market's recovered basically. So hey, that's just what the market does. So I was thinking how I was gonna do this video today, and I think I'm just gonna go through my activities and just start from 30th because the last update was for the 29th of December. Just kind of run through what I've done so far. And the 27th, I did get some dividends from the S&P 500. So I've bought some more Vodafone. I bought Coca-Cola. I bought Palo Alto Networks, which is a network security, cyber security type company. I looked at the. I bought it mainly based on fundamentals. I was having a talk with my brother, and he's kind of into this networking, security, computer stuff. So he came up. We brought up two names, which was Okta and Palo Alto. I looked at both of them, and to me, Okta, Palo Alto, basically, the balance sheet just looked better, in my own opinion, and well, better than Okta. So I went with Palo Alto, and their I think the revenue is increasing, and I think soon. I think that there was some insider buying as well in terms of I think the CEO or someone high within the company bought quite a few shares I think it was around $200 or something like that. So that's a huge plus for me and a huge incentive for me to buy into that. Bought some more Red Roll, BP. Obviously, everyone's heard about well, most people I guess have heard about the crisis between America and Iran, which could lead to um, possibly some kind of oil shortage. So oil price is literally like shot up to like I think $70 last time I checked. Uh, Bought some more Red Roll, Vodafone. I sold Avast. So this is one of those cases where I believe I made a mistake buying it again. And once I was in the green, I just sold it off again, basically. I think it was just too high uh, for for me in terms of the current value. Uh, and I sold Coca Cola mainly because um, I felt like I bought it at the wrong time. Because if it's a dividend play, but really I think I needed the capital as well to invest into other stuff, and the share price wasn't really moving anywhere. And I mean it's a good company and everything, but I needed the money, and I kind of bought it at its close to its highest point. So I just decided to sell it off when it got into the green. Uh, yeah, bought some more BP, bought Vodafone, HSBC. This is a mining company, so this just a hedge again. Bought some more Diago, Red Roll. I tried. I didn't have enough money for Boeing. Basically, it's still too expensive, but that's potentially something I'm going to be looking to buy uh, in not too distant future. I bought some of Vodafone Page Group. Bought some Disney. The price went down a bit. Not low enough, but I think it's still pretty undervalued. And bought some more Page Group. And yeah, I think that's pretty much caught up. So I'll just run through my portfolio and just yeah have a look. So I've still got Pfizer. Um, As of today, I'm up 0.32%. Still got AbbVie. AbbVie is basically it's a solid one basically. 20. I'm up 21.36%. Still around the same percentage I had previously. Disney, I'm up 2.62%. BP, I believe I was down about 5%, but since the strikes um, since between Iran and America, um, shares like BP, Shell have been going up, and defense companies, the stock prices have been going up as well. Uber. So yeah, that's gone up. I think there was some kind of incentive for them going up. I think the company that was competing with them for getting McDonald's business uh, dropped out. So it seems like Uber is basically going to get majority of it. So I think that's a huge incentive, and yeah, it's a good company. Uh, it's a good for the future, anyways. Cisco, I believe I was down as well last time, and yeah, it's basically just holding on. Basically, Macro Focus is basically holding on as well. Vodafone, I've bought a few more shares of this, so that's gonna average down. But I believe maybe today or in the past week, basically, it's gone up 2.5%. So that would explain why I'm in the green. Palo Alto has done pretty well, um, up 2.77%. Diageo, I would try and keep on buying Diageo if I can. If it gets to a good price, and this is one of the ones I wanna build a bigger position in. HSBC, I bought a few more shares in that. I just felt like the only reason I have HSBC is just because I feel like you should have a banking stock, and just HSBC appeals to me. It's not really gone up like the other stocks like Barclays and Lloyd's and all the other banking stocks, but I kind of like it that way because then I can buy more shares. I'm not having to worry about buying it at a higher price. S&P 500 healthcare. So this is an ETF that covers the healthcare sector, and it captures a lot of pharmaceutical companies and things like that. So essentially, I was going to buy this and then sell off AbbVie and get my 21% back, and because it's got AbbVie listed in there, but they don't. Well, I believe they don't. This ETF doesn't pay any um, dividends, which is why I'm still keeping hold of AbbVie. If they did, I would have sold AbbVie, and possibly even Pfizer, because Pfizer is here as well. Because Pfizer is not really, it hasn't really gone up that much. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep my healthcare stocks or my pharmaceutical company stocks, and hold on to this and build this up as well. Visa is still there. It's maintained um, around the 8.59%. BATS is actually performing quite well actually, 25.28%. That's a bit high, isn't it? What's happened in the past couple of days? Okay, it's done pretty well. Past month it's gone up 16.2. That's pretty decent. Still got Intel, it's pretty much holding on. Also Trader, it's pretty much holding on. Microsoft, as I said, Microsoft is a solid company. People love it. It's just a steady climber. Um, you know, I think I'm gonna look into Microsoft and just assess what's going on again, and might start building up a position in Microsoft if I feel like it's gonna go any higher, and if I feel it's still a good value. Got Smith and Nephew, and that's gone up a bit as well to 13.83%. Carnival, um, it's quite funny actually because Jeremy said from financial education, I mean like that's his channel. Is quite big on YouTube, and he's invested in about $100,000 or something into Carnival. So, I've had this for a while, so it's always kind of encouraging when you get like seasoned investors like Jeremy kind of buying the stocks that you analyzed ages ago. I think I've had this for quite a while, since since June. I've just been topping up every now and then. So yeah, that's apparently a good dividend play and growth play as well. Of not growth but value play. That's in. Got red roll. I'm building into that as well. Got the mining stock, so that's gone down, and I'm gonna buy more mainly because I like the balance sheet and it's just a good hedge. So just wanna kind of diversify my portfolio a bit more. Countryside, that's pretty much doing well. I think it's been about 30% for a while basically. So we got Nationwide. Might be looking. I'm gonna be reassessing Nationwide again. I just see if it's something I wanna keep long term. Because it's really not moving anywhere, and it's just been, yeah, there for a while. Page Group, good value play, dividend play as well. Gonna be buying more of Page Group. I like it. It's basically in the negative. I was in the red, and yeah, just been buying more of that basically. I reduced my holdings in iRobots, um, but I'm still gonna watch it and just see what's going on. I had quite a few shares in iRobot before. Uh, yeah, I sold. Yeah, I had 17 shares probably, and I sold 16. I just kept hold onto one just in case something interesting happens, and I wanna get back into it again. So I've got my global clean energy ETF, and that's actually doing pretty well actually. That's 11.21%. It's up 11.21%. Highland Gold, that's actually dropped, I believe. Yeah, so that's dropped 8%. And I'm still going to be buying more of this. It's a hedge. I believe it's a good value company. Or it's a company at good value. And they've got a good balance sheet, in my opinion, anyways. S&P 500, obviously, markets hitting new highs. And my emerging markets ETF as well, or I believe, and that's up 4.76%. Um, yeah, so that's it, guys. I think there's gonna be like an extra couple of shares I'm gonna show you, which is in my basic account, just because everyone's going on about Tesla, so I do actually have Tesla. And I think I had 4 shares of Tesla at some point, and I sold it when it was about 70% up, and I kept hold of one share, hoping that it's gonna drop back down again at that point, because it went up really quick, like within a month or 2 months, like it was up 70%, or actually within a month actually. So yeah, but now it's up 141 or 142 basically percent, which would be quite crazy if I kept the 4 shares, all 4 shares. So I don't regret it. I think I took a good profit out of it, and I'm just gonna hold on to this one basically and see what happens. I've got eBay, and this Page Group here is actually a free share, and or was a free share. Then I bought some more Page Group as well, just to add to what I have in my investment ISA account. So yeah, and I've got eBay, and I'm gonna be adding to that as well, and just to see what this portfolio is like. So that's when I started investing. Took some money out because I needed some money from the actual portfolio to fix my car and stuff, and I've not really put any money back in actually. This is basically just appreciation basically. I've not really just reinvesting and maybe selling and buying, and I guess I treat this more of a trading portfolio essentially, rather than an actual investment one. So if I am buying Tesla again, then I'm gonna buy it in my investment ISA, not here. Um, so yeah, that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm to try and be more regular with videos. A week is a week. But thanks for the likes and thanks for the comments as well. I just appreciate everything. So yeah, look forward to another update next week. And yeah, cheers, guys.